Anna. Yay!
Good. Say your own name. That's fast. Very good. All right.
On this.
Did you find the right envelope? I think that one is a little small. Yeah, try that one. You like work, don't you?
Yeah.
You are so cute. Okay, who's that card for?
Deegan.
Deegan, do you want to write the name on the envelope?
I already.
Okay, cross the name. Hey, give me a smile. Oh.
Take a video for me.
Okay, this is a
when
video.
I write.
Okay.